Yo, what up, you guys? Art Basel, day 2. As you guys know, we got Jesus behind the lens. We got Tom behind me, and we got Savant behind me. Another day with the family. And as you know, we got Gabriel over there, that boy chilling. It's gonna be a wonderful day. Nice suit. Let's see this.
Nice suit, man.
Man, what a wonderful night. Gabriel looking like a king, you get me. It's gonna be a wonderful night. We're just gonna get it going. Let's get started.
Pull up like that.
Yes, sir.
I see girls going crazy. Shake it for me, baby, like you are my baby. Do, bang. Came in with the gang. 5% the shades. Baby, swing my way. All up in the club with the lights on. Bottles in the air, turn the lights on. Need your body on mine.
I like that shirt. Oh, you're not a one, brother. Absolutely. If you to do a little quick intro, talk about Wakashi, the brand itself, and the fashion show.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we want to do that. Yeah, copy. Nah, this is dope, man. So we're at a fashion show right now at Mita in Miami. Again, this is Art Basel Part 2, and the business continues. You know, I'm out here just to show support to people that show me love since I started. Again, a year and a half ago, I wasn't in the best position to be in environments like this. You know, it costs to talk, and we're getting to that point, right, where I'm not really looking for opportunities because I haven't made myself established. I'm just more so looking just to connect and build a community where we could all just grow and, you know, be in that environment. So, yeah, that's how it's going right now. Okay. Bow. So as you guys know, listen, man, I'm with Made in Philly. Happy birthday, happy belated birthday, absolutely. Listen, man, this man has given me so many opportunities. It started from when I was using the camera. He allowed me to follow him. He let me in every single room, gave me so many opportunities, and for that I'm forever grateful. As you guys know, this is a one-of-one Wakashi Sade shirt that I'm forever grateful for. Can you just talk about a little bit of your come up in the fashion industry and what's going on here right now, what's taking place?
So let me tell you something, right? Wakashi is a Japanese-inspired brand. I was living in Japan for a little bit, and I kept getting stuck at a train station, and it happened to be the Wakashi station, and I was like, yo, this name is just kind of dope. It kept on sticking out to me, and I kept getting stuck there. So, you know, we turned it into a clothing brand, and a lot of these pieces, they come from Japan, and they very, like, special. Like, these are, like, very, like, special pieces, and, yeah, I just want to, you know, bring the brand out there and, you know, bring it to Miami before bringing the culture into it. So yeah, that's a little bit, you know, a little about it.
You know, I'll say it's simple. It's quality over quantity, and as you guys can see, this piece that he has provided me for. And listen, man, it's very important to bump shoulders with men like this because they put themselves in a position to stand outside the norm. And as you guys can see, this is a special show, special man. And we're gonna just keep it going in Philly, man. Thank you, man. Thank you for allowing me to be here. Thank you, brother. Listen, man. Savant. Listen, my man has a one-of-one Supreme Biggie shirt, Air Jordan collab. You've never seen that.
Oh my gosh.
They don't know about
one.
that.
It's not one of one.
Okay.
But yes, very, very, very exclusive.
Absolutely.
Only print that they messed up and gave a Nike.
Facts.
Air Jordan. Absolutely.
I don't have something like that, but I have this.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Come on, man.
Absolutely.
You never go wrong with a thing.
This one. So we're just keeping it going. Now we're about to see how everything's set in stone, and it's really cool. Different vibe. Absolutely.
Do, bang. Came in with the gang. Elsewhere, move through bang. Baby, scream my name. All up in the club with the lights on. Bottles in the air.
Please give it up for Wakashi.
Not here for a long time. Baby, can you slow it down? I see girls
Chris Churchill right here, the king of Miami, the super sensation. And I'm telling you, goddamn, you're in the right place to be because you're Art Basel 2025 Miami. This is about the drip. And ladies and gentlemen, you know we definitely got it. But this is one thing I want you to know. All these ladies right here are a Drip the Glow by Fernando. Visuals by Lee. It's me, Chris Fashion, right here, the motherfucking king of Miami. Woo! Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go. It's Drip the Glow, Art Basel 2025 Fernando. Woo!
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
That was so good.
Energy up.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I've been doing it forever. Bro.
Yeah, no, I bet.
Yo.
I bet. The Drip God. I like that. That shit hard, boy. I'm telling you, energy.
What's the drop that you guys want? For your company, what's the drop?
It's Fungchung.
Fungchung?
David Fungchung, yes, Fungchung.
David Fungchung.
Fungchung.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to see, this is not motherfucking Bruce Lee, but it's brought to you courtesy of David Fungchung. You got the one. Yeah!
So good. Thanks,
Hey.
Yo. That's what we do here. Yeah. The energy.
The energy.
Energy's always up here with us. Always up. Always up.
Because of the energy. That was crazy. That was crazy.
Good stuff. Oh, sir. Come on, man. So they're going to finish the event, they're going to be downstairs. Okay, yeah. So they're throwing a private event. Absolutely, 100%, man. 1,000%. Yeah, bro. It's been a minute. Good. What's up, you guys? I gotta let you with me. Win First Academy. Mitch, aka Dominique. If you don't know who he is, get to know him. Okay. Again, this man has changed my life in artist development. As you guys know, I'm a part of an academy called Win First. And I want to go ahead and introduce the man that has produced my music, helped me songwrite, wrote, everything. Produced. An actual producer, not a beat maker. You know, Dominique, Mitch Mula. Come on now.
Appreciate you, my boy.
Absolutely.
I like how you put the emphasis on that.
Come on.
Producing,
You're not a beat maker.
That's a fact.
You know what I mean?
That's
You want
a
to give
fact.
a
Look, bro, next, he got it. Hands off at this point. He got it. You know what I'm saying? He hits after hits. Every time he pull up, it's different. Different shit. We got the slow vibes, we got the fast vibes, we got the high vibes, the low vibes, all of that. He coming with it. So 2026, I put my money on bro. 100%. 100%. That's a fact.
Thank you, King.
That's a fact, bro.
What's your name?
I go by Jesus Guggenheim.
I see. Okay.
What about you? You right?
Right? Yes, sir. Absolutely. I don't know how to do it. Show me how to do it.
What do you mean?
I like that.
If I said you're right.
No. I don't write.
Oh,
no,
you
no,
don't
no,
right?
no,
Okay.
No.
Well, Art Basel, it's time to get started, man.
Yeah? Can I?
Absolutely. The one right there, man. Why not?
Yeah?
Throw your name up.
Boss, I can do this?
We're Winwood. This is what Winwood's for.
Winwood, man. It's all good, bro. Favorite everywhere, bro.
Going to Mida.
Huh?
Sorry, can you do it? I can't
I
not
can do your tag, bro.
It's just Fungchung.
Fungchung, all right.
Yeah, Fungchung.
It's
F-U-N-G G-C-H U-N-G. Thank you, King. Can you shout yourself out?
Yo, what up, man? This is Steve Daniels, aka Jesus Guggenheim. I'm here in Miami Art Basel 2025. Doing my thing, you know, out here representing art from Canada, Toronto. Grew up in the States, New York City, and second year in Miami. It's an incredible vibe. You know, I would encourage everyone to come out here, even if you don't got that much money. You know, do what you can to get out here because your life can change. Miracles happen every day, but you gotta, faith is an action word, you know?
Absolutely. Pleasure meeting you, King.
Pleasure meeting you, man.
Absolutely.
God bless you guys.
Absolutely. God bless you.
Take care, guys.
Let your heart decide.
This is my brother. He's a producer.
What's up, King?
What's going on,
David Fungchung, pleasure to meet you, bro.
Good to meet you,
Yeah, I'm a developing artist. I'm in the music industry. Currently working with like Mitch Bullock, produces for Juice WRLD. A lot of people in the game. You're a producer. We'd love to link up with you. You have contact info? You out here in Miami?
No, I'm in LA.
LA? Okay, yeah, I reside out here. How long you been producing for? Long time. Yeah, absolutely.
Professionally, like 10 years.
10 years? Holy shit. Yeah. This man is more than legit. My guy has Drake, Party Next Door.
Okay.
Hold on. I don't want to go introduce it off that. Can you talk a little bit about yourself, a little intro?
I'm just a producer, man. Out here working. I'm really out here for my brother, man.
Absolutely.
For this gallery, for real.
Yes.
Tonight's about him, but yeah, I produce. I make beats for real. Drake, Doja Cat, everyone for real. But tonight's about him.
I started off.
Absolutely, bro. His artwork is
Hell
great,
yeah.
1,000%, bro. Super surprising. Super is definitely unique. Tells a story. Each one tells a story.
Yeah. It's a lot of work in this shit.
Yeah, I could tell, bro. Years, right?
Same thing, music, art, everything finished.
Absolutely.
It takes a lot of work to get here.
100%, bro. That's actually insane.
But yeah,
Nah, bro. Congratulations, bro.
it took a while.
It took a while, huh?
Made all these things.
Doing that, bro. You feel me? You're curating a whole show, playing your music, and then the DJ saying, shouting out your music, and then saying it's also on Apple Music. Go get it, bro. That's crazy promotion, fam. That's crazy promotion. Then your songs are spinning, and everyone's vibing to it. You know? What would you call yourself? You know, an artist, an entrepreneur, a designer, a creative, a pioneer, a philosopher. You know what I mean? Creator, okay. Telling you guys, man, like one of one, creative, one of one, bro. As you guys saw tonight, we saw the wings, we saw girls bikini after bikini, but then Philly came out with the #1 set in Miami, Art Basel, day 2. Doesn't get better than this, right?
That's true.
Like, can you explain the come up and where you started, and then to like how it kind of transpired to like the present moment?
Damn, I kind of feel like if you want, you know, like certain people to wear your clothes,
Yeah.
you know, you gotta wait. Hey, like these celebrities, they're not gonna wear your stuff.
Yeah.
You know? And sometimes your friends, they won't wear it until they see someone else wear it. They don't want to wear your stuff until they see Future wear it or DJ Khaled wear it. So you know who you gotta give it to? DJ Khaled. You gotta give it to Future. Now it's like, yo, what's up with that shirt? What's up with that hat? I need, you know? Now you want it because, you know, so you gotta play the game. Like, so I used to stay outside the club, and like when the artist, I know when you come out outside at, yo, I made this hat for you. I got this hat for you. Now it's like, yo, damn, I want that hat that DJ Khaled had. I've been making these hats for fucking 2-3 a year now, 2-3 months, whatever.
Yeah.
Now you want the hat.
Now you want the hat.
So it's like, is it just, yeah, it's marketing, you know? Like,
Art.
you know, that's,
Wow.
but yeah, I used to be out, I used to.
Facts. That's crazy.
When I walk in the party, we gon' get it started. Bottles in the air, baby, can you pop it? Baby, can you pop it?
They don't know when the beat about to jump, they just like waiting on it.
Girl, you gotta come.
They you know, Bob, they just like,
Message just hit a miss.
Listen, you guys, this is the outro. If you don't know, now you know. Win first.
the academy.